Most people view learning as a passive act, a slow accumulation of facts gathered through trial and error. This is a failure of system design. Today, we install the Accelerated Acquisition Protocol. In the TimeManagers ecosystem, learning is not an emotional journey. It is the process of compressing time between data input and functional output. The primary bottleneck in learning is signal noise, the tendency to consume low-value information that does not align with your structural objectives. You must implement information filtering. Before you commit time to any new skill or dataset, run it through the utility filter. Does this information solve a current system constraint? If the answer is no, it is discarded. You are not a library, you are an engine. Only acquire the data necessary to optimize your current operation. Next, execute the synthesis loop. Passive reading is a latency-heavy activity. To scale your learning, you must shift to applied synthesis. For every hour of input, you must engineer 2 hours of output: prototyping, teaching, or implementation. This forces your brain to reorganize the information into a usable format, transforming raw data into high-value cognitive assets. Finally, practice iterative refinement. Systems do not reach perfection in one iteration. After every learning cycle, conduct a performance review. Where did the learning stall? What was the latency between input and application? By debugging your own learning process, you reduce the time required to master the next subject. Stop trying to learn and start architecting your cognitive intake. When you treat learning as a systematic throughput rather than a personality trait, you gain the ultimate competitive advantage, the ability to upgrade your internal OS faster than the environment can change. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.